This is your extreme weather outlook for this Thursday, and we do expect, of course, some severe weather to develop on Friday and Saturday, potentially even into Sunday across the southern and southeastern U.S. Only a few days removed from that big severe weather outbreak on Sunday across the southern and southeastern U.S., which did claim the lives of nearly 24 people with that very large EF4 tornado in Alabama, one of the strongest tornadoes we've had across the country in just a few years here. That same storm will go on to produce a major Midwest snow event. We're talking about some continued cold into mid-month as well. Now, on Friday tomorrow, there could be some severe weather out near Oklahoma City and Dallas, or at least just north of that. But Saturday, a little farther east in a much larger severe threat areas, the storm system really starts to get going here. And then on Sunday, from the Outer Banks to the lower Mississippi Valley, that's severe threats. We'll keep you up to date. Note that we will have some localized heavy rainfall with some of these thunderstorms, maybe some 1 to 2+ inch tallies. These areas are still dealing with river flooding, so any additional heavy rain that we see could just emphasize that flood potential. Looking at some winter storm warnings over the Tug Hill Plateau. That should be ending around midday today, but additional decent snowfall tallies. Minneapolis, you're under the gun for another winter storm. We have winter storm watches posted from Wisconsin all the way to the Dakotas. This is the areas of heaviest snow. And again, within this particular band, maybe some 6 to 12 inch amounts. And again, in the Twin Cities from Saturday morning to Saturday afternoon, or Sunday afternoon rather, could see some 1 to 2 inch snowfall rates per hour. A lot of wind with this system as well. And then back to the west, we're still dealing with some winter weather headlines, some heavy snow, and a little bit of icing today in the midsection of the nation. But again, Sierra Nevada range still seeing some decent snowfall amounts. Also looking at some lingering flood potential, but a lot of that heaviest rain is now starting to kind of wind down. We also have some critical fire weather conditions today in New Mexico and West Texas.